Hi, welcome back. Looking at an absolute fundamental of landscape today, painting waves. Okay, waves against the clock. Let's see how we do. So, 2 parts cobalt blue to 1 part Payne's grey. I've got a little bit of cadmium orange up there. The cadmium orange is to neutralise the blue. It's the opposite side of the colour wheel, of course. It's natural complement, so I'm just going to take the edge off this blue-grey mix that I've just created, and I'm going to create 3 piles of this for our 3 different colours. Okay, so that's the base tone. I'm now going to add a bit of white into the first one. That's pretty straightforward. A little bit more. Okay, close enough. A little bit less white into the second one. In fact, I'm going to use the white that's left over on my palette knife from the first mix. We want this one to be a little bit grayer, and then the last one we want to be very dark, and again I'm just using a tiny little bit of the grey that's left over on the palette knife, and I'm going to just finish that off. Just knock it down just to a grey one more time with a bit of the cadmium orange. There you go, nice and easy. Well, if that's been useful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.